Hi there, Karin here on behalf of Makers Mercantile with the top 5 things to look for in today's newsletter. Let's get started with item number 1, and that is our yarn of the week. So that is Infinito. And if you haven't seen Infinito before, this is a yarn. It is created by Atelier Zitron in Germany, 100% merino. It is pretty much a lace weight fingering weight with the 550 yards to 100 grams. And it is Oeko-Tex certified. And what makes it super, super special is the gradient. So it has a very, very, very slow gradient. As you can see on this shawl that's behind me, this is the blue color. You can see how it goes from the light blue just ever so slowly up to the dark blue. Or what I'm wearing here, this is a shawl. You start in here and you start with the light color and you ever so slowly work up into the black color. Just so you know, these two patterns, I should tell you what they're called, just in case you're curious. So this pattern is called the Raindrops on Roses Shawlette by Irish Girlie Knits, and it can be found on Ravelry. And the one that I am actually wearing is called the Asymmetrical Triangle Scarf, and it can also be purchased on Ravelry. So what is our special? Well, the yarn's not on sale, but we do have a really good deal going on, because if you purchase one hank of the yarn, and I'm going to hold up this brown color now. So if you purchase one hank of the yarn, you are going to get for free this fabulous pattern up here, which is called Imagine When from Joji Locatelli. And it takes exactly one hank. You're also going to get the needle that you need to knit it, which I do believe is a 32-inch US 6, and we're going for a rocket needle on this one. So that is your deal. Purchase one hank of our Infinito, and you're going to get the pattern, which is called the Imagine When, as well as the needle for free. This is only a 2-day special. This is only going to be good through Sunday night because it's such a great deal. I mean, you're basically saving 50%. In other words, we're almost giving it away. So if you're interested in doing it, it is a really great, oops, it's up here. It is a really great little shawlette. And if you don't like that one, you could go off and buy your own pattern too. You're still going to get your needle for free, and you're going to get a fabulous, fabulous yarn. So that is what we are doing for this week. Now, just to remind you, we have had Simplicity on sale for the last month. Well, it's been the whole month of September. It is still on sale, and it will be on sale till the end of the month. But we do have one more special for you with the Simplicity, and that is for those of you who have been interested in learning color work. Of course, Simplicity comes in the range of 60 plus colors, which we carry, so there's a lot of colors for you to choose from. So what would be better to do than color work? Well, if you haven't done a lot of color work or you want to experiment more with it, this book from Michelle Hunter is absolutely wonderful. It is called Building in Color. And it does show a lot of different colored swatches on the front. But basically what it does is, you know how usually you have quilts and they're like building block type things for blankets and so on. Well, Michelle Hunter thought a little bit outside of the square and went for strips. And those strips, when you are finished, there's 10 of them in all, you attach them all together and you get yourself, I know this is really big, I'm covering up my whole body here. You get yourself this really great blanket. And what makes it even greater than just the color work and what you're going to learn while you knit it is also that it's machine wash and tumble dry. And if you really don't want to make such a big one, you could make something smaller. You're just going to have to alter your yarn amounts and make shorter strips. Then you can actually do something more like this baby size here, where they didn't even use all the different patterns, they just used some of them. But you can see some of the great color work patterns. There's everything from intarsia to short rows to mosaic going on in these patterns. Just so you know, when it comes to this big blanket, you do need 24 hanks. So you're going to need 3 hanks each of 8 different colors. I got that wrong. Let's do it backwards. You're going to need 8 hanks each of 3 different colors. So you want to choose a dark color, a light color, and a medium color. And then if you get 8 of each, you will be able to make this blanket in its full size. So what our special is for this week with the Simplicity on top of the sale is if you purchase 24 hanks of the Simplicity to make this, we will actually gift you not only the book, So you'll get this book, which is a $20 price tag on it. You're going to get the book. You're also going to get 2 needles. You're going to get a US 6 in a 24-inch and a US 6 in a 40-inch so that you can finish the blanket, and you're going to get stitch markers. So basically all you need to have for yourself is the ability to cast on, bind off, knit, and purl. Because this is a teaching book, there are tutorials, online tutorials for every single stitch that is in here. So if it's 11 o'clock at night and you're like, I don't know what to do, all you have to do is go online, because online is open 24/7, and Michelle Hunter will guide you on what to do. That's what makes it so special. So if you don't want to make a blanket yourself, maybe you know somebody that just started knitting or something, that you want to get them a really great gift for next year, this would be perfect. Get the yarn, get the colors, get the book, get the needles, all together as one. More details listed below, but that is our special with the simplicity. Then we have a couple of kits. This one is really, really limited. I think we only have 2 or 3 left, but when I was placing an order for our shadow knitting kits, I managed to order the wrong thing. So I ordered the unicorn kits in the same colors as the elephant kit. And, well, we don't have a unicorn shawl actually knitted up in the colors of the elephant kit. So we have reduced the price on them. I'm not sure by how much, but I think it's probably like 15% or something like that. But these are the colors that they are. And hopefully, if I hold it back from here, hopefully you can see. Sometimes it's hard to see through plastic, and I can't take them out of the plastic at the moment. But you do get the complete kit. You get all the yarn again, and you do get the pattern for the unicorn. You are just going to knit it in different colors. So there's only a couple of those left. Then for fall, we have a lot of things going on in fall type colors. But one thing is the AGF sale, the Art Gallery Fabrics Quilting Fabric sale. That one is going to be ending on the evening of the 26th as well. So if you were interested in getting any of those cottons, now is a really good time to do it. There are so many beautiful ones. So whether you are quilting, or whether you are making pillowcases, or you are making project bags or skirts or shirts or masks, or whatever it is that you are making, this cotton really is absolutely wonderful, and it's 20% off through the 26th. Then we also have some great buttons on sale this week, 25% off, 4 different wood buttons that we thought were rather cute. This is my favorite. This is called the apple button. You can see what a cute little apple that is. It is a 3-dimensional apple. And it sews right onto your piece. Yeah, you do want to be careful when you're washing it. If you're hand washing something, it'll be fine, but you certainly don't want to machine wash this button. You just want to hand wash, take it out, dry it off, and you should be perfectly fine. If you're attaching it onto something that you're going to wash all the time, probably not the best thing, because you'd have to remove it. But they are cute little adorable buttons, and there are 3 other wooden buttons that we have on sale too. Some have stitch work on them, some of them are just olive wood buttons, but wooden buttons are pretty darn great, and these 4 are 25% off through the end of the month. So then we have, what else do we have? I'm just trying to look at my list to make sure I have everything covered. Our knit box, our very first knit box, went out at the beginning of September, and I have an unboxing for that. There's also a video. You get to see 2 videos of me today. Anyways, there's also one of those in the newsletter. There's a little bit more information, as well as a link to our charity auction that will be happening in October. That's going to be for Lambert House, and I'll go over that again as we get closer to the date. And then, of course, on Sunday, our Alplino Zauberball special ends as well. Now, if you haven't gotten in on the Alplino Zauberball special, you can find more information on that on the website. There's actually a banner that you can click on. It'll take you there. One thing I do want to let you know is that we have run out of the Zauberball bags. This has been a really, really great special. It's been a lot more people have ordered than we actually imagined. And so now we are actually waiting for more fabric to come in. We print the fabric here on the premises, but we've run out of the blank fabric. So that should be in early next week, and then we can get more of those sewn right away, and we will get those kits out. So if you order one now, expect a little bit of a delay in the shipping. And that is it for right now. We will be back again on Tuesday. You have a weekend in between. Hopefully you're going to get 1 or 2 days off. That way you can be creative, have some fun, maybe watch a football game. It is that time of year, right? You can knit while you're watching football, or crochet while you're watching football, or hand stitch while you're watching football. Lots of different things you can do while you watch football. Or you could just watch football. Anyways, have a great weekend. Be happy, and we'll see you again on Tuesday. Ciao.